Heck yeah. What up? Today is day 2. Working on the Corvette. We are going to take off all the brakes today. We're gonna start back here on this one. So we're gonna get off all the rotors, all the calipers. Deal with these random plastics that are gross. Deal with all the rotors and calipers first, and then we will attack. Oh shoot, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it. Here, one sec, let me fix the lighting. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna be replacing the rotors and the calipers today. Well, not the calipers, we're gonna be taking them off though. Replacing the pads. We're gonna hopefully get these like sanded and Cerakoted, but if not Cerakoted, we will paint them. We're gonna move all these goofy plastics that are gonna be getting in the way when the coilovers get here. We might even attack the fender liners. But the other big thing I wanna get a hold of today, is that bar. Right there, the fucking leaf spring that Corvettes have for some reason. We are going to try to get them out in the front and back today, along with the brakes. But yeah, here. We're gonna start with the We're gonna start with these two outer caliper bolts. I think these are like 15s. And we'll put a wrench on this side right here to hold it steady. I think that's like an 15, 18. We'll take this one off. And that one off. Boom. We'll be able to slide the caliper off. We can put it up here if we want. But since we are going to be painting them, I am going to just be disconnecting that first, and then I'll be taking this off. These things holding his rotor on, and I was like kind of mind blown. I was like, there ain't no way. But seeing the nut makes more sense. But he didn't have that. He just like slapped it on and then put the wheel on. It's like, yeah, it's good to go. Yeah, here, I'll get set up and we'll get to kicking. They weren't even that bad, but yeah. So now we're gonna go and get these ones. I just pointed at the things that we were already sitting on. We're not taking these out, we're taking these out. Boom. And boom. Sorry, I'm high. I smoked before we started the project. Okay. There we go. And then, when it comes to replacing parts, we got this clip, and then we got these bushings. died. Or like not Bushing's boots. But I think I'm gonna leave those on until after it gets back from painting paint. I just got attacked by a hornet on my face. Where the fuck did that come from? It's winter. What the fuck? Bam. Alright, well, we just got done being attacked and I'm starting to drain this, so here we are. Cool. No mess made. Let's take this rotor off. It's definitely not just these holding it on. I'm gonna take these off, but let me get y'all set up. Stab my fucking fingers. We're starting to get loosened. Okay, dokie, so much for not making a mess. I hit this with PB Blaster. That's honestly kind of creepy to me that this just... I don't know what my angle looked like while I was in it. That was just these. This is to hold your shit on in some rust. Because yeah. I don't know why I felt like I was going to have to fuck with this. Why the fuck do I have drum and disc brakes?
Hey, yo, Lynch, make a splash. Make a splash. Make a splash.
I knocked you over, my bad. Oh, fuck. That fucking hurt. On to the next. Alright, here we go. This is a naughty cat. His name's Weezy. He's naughty as fuck. Okay, so, I'm gonna show you where we're at. We're calling it a day. So we have all of the struts off, so they're all right there. We have all of the struts off, and we got all of the rotors and calipers off. They're over here. That is this rear archway with this weird scoop thing. And I really think, if anything, only this needs to be removed. And maybe this little piece of the plastic needs to be cut out off of them. Other than that, we should mostly clear maybe this back corner thing, but there's like metal right here anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah. Front and rear struts, all the old rotors. There's a little plastic thing. Leaf spring out next time, but I smashed my hand, so, and I gotta get ready. I gotta get somewhere cleaned up, so. Yeah.